for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel so. Asem we asem bi aste we mesre. Na we a reaction from Ghanaians amede bremo. Endra me breaking news na say yes video bi aba bonten of Igwe a wo bo na hu hia enye ije. Anse ne beto aso subscribe na click the notification bell on so. And no end down screen so see we yan the latest news bi aba wonsa ebeka. Na Mamenka semintremo say answer Nendra mebeye video and I'm Rebecca say on Nana Huehi mashe video na maka se Igwe abono no Nana Huehi ebe release video ewo GH page ene nim say Nana Huehi woni GH page ene on my channel ene ye adwuma na wo release video ewo GH page na wo kan se wono de Huehi ambono na te say za video na Huehi also no de sorry Igwe ambono when he be release video say Igwe ambono na sa video na Igwe ebono no sa time no na sa video na nya circulate ye na video na kamensa but na enya mba abonte ye nkrofo enya video na enhwe ye itina na when he ebia na ene say video na nya ade a ebe circulate because senia wone on my channel eye adwuma ne ntino ebia na on my channel for wo mo en release sa video no na eche for say na make na mensa ebeka video na metie nsema na hu ehi ka so no de Igwe ntumi nya no Igwe ntumi ambono no na so ma hwe video Igwe abo na make say Ghana fo ano mo pese wo mo hwe video no wo mo message me sa number na e wo screen ase no na trese me send mo eche for na Endra over 100 Ghanaians message me e ma me send video no mo na omo reactions na me de brebo na before me de omo reactions be bro no Endra no ni say GH page any o man channel for yi wo mo ye ya ndan fofo na ye beka say ye brothers enti sa no Endra me contact ye GH page and I say me ni o mo twetwe nkomo say video say na mehu say wo man kasa wo mo nipa na hu ehi ya bono na eden na ekọ na eho na nipa ko a oni me ebo nkomo say GH page owner no say what can send me check but send me to me and fan betu just say me can say confidential because o man me ho kwan send me fan send me betu ja na what can send me check me na me de mitri adwen sem na me hu say hu ehi na nkasa na so ya den na enyama a wo ye nia no enye say ebia the owners of GH page any o man channel no wo mo ne no enkasa bitumi hu say eya wo mo tunifo but a branch na nkasa no na so eye den a just ye tunifo kra na wontie Intino Endra na Ghana for bebre ni age wo hwe online me be share video na afa video no be circulate ya nkrofo bebre kasa about the video no wo hwe comment na ba na nkrofo bebre ni age wo ko Instagram te se be bia me share video ni ate se nkrofo be circulate ye na obi nya bi hwe ye no na nkrofo eni age a eni ji aba te se wo mo kan nti me tena sa na mejo na me se na sebe na hu ehi no Ghana for eyetan na motan na say den adan na sebe mu behu say osofo ebu obi na trese muni age say sofo no ebu sa nipa kro no is it the case say na hu ehi ni hu ehi ampa inta na ye ni age say osofo no ebu no na ye sure say eye osofo foforo e na sebe wono nso e mfa de say bia owusu bempa ena wonu nso kwachi obi asebi wonu nso ne hu ehi owusu bempa no kwachi obi asebi wonu nso waka nsembone efa ne ho ena owusu bempa ebo na nka senia ye defend software na nka san ye be defend na mind you I am not taking sides a question keke ena me bisa because the treatment we give to Pastor A it should be the same treatment we give to Pastor B. Is it that na hu ehi ni hu ehi to the extent say Ghana for there because video no say na medical trial no me send man nkofo bebre na nkofo na me send video ni ma omo no wo pie ni what say nipa bako kre ni ho a woni na hu ehi ana ye beka say like odi areho ka say oh we dey me ya say yabo na hu ehi da bi wo mu ni na me send video ni mo a feedback ka eba ene say hey ye danyame ase say at least obi abo hu ehi yaman ti asema me bi sande say hu ehi no ni hu a eye hi no eno hu nti na ye nkrofo de se ya bono ana se osofo foforo ene koye ya senia eye ye nde no a ye support eye Pastor Igwe no so osofo foforo no nanga saa na ebe support na na eya asembisa obi nim na ebia oba abonten wokobu obi nanga se na ye support nanga saa na ebe support because ye ne nim se obi nim obi aka ne ho nsem boneda ama obi nim akobu nipa ko no Ghana me hu nipa ba ko se wo support obi nim owusu bempa so obi aka ne ho nsem bone ama trese wo ko studio ha akobu nipa ko Ghana ye hu se obi a e kasa ma no nti is it that when he no ne hu eye hi ankasa ana na me ko comment Ghana for endra me send video no emma wo mo no response a wo mo e de bae me send video no obi say thank you so much you've made my day. I am very happy this man has been beaten. Enone asema bobi nipa ba ko kan na nipa no wo hwe the number em say Ghana for one thing is Ghana for wo mo frame me no mo bisa me video no ni na no tre say wo mu ni na Ghana for wo mo wa ma no ne Ghana for wo mo wa ma no ne nko wo be say hello evening, hope you are well. I'm always following you, and could you send me the beef between Igwe and Nana Huehi? Why man kasa and I'm sending video no man if I say hey thanks boss ha that's good. So this is the second person I walk and say hey Nenia just say yabu Huehi no it's here for and I obi so eka say boss good evening no please send me the video of Igwe and Huehi and I'm sending man no and I say hey big boss thank you very much I am very happy. Third person no I walk and say Neni aje Obi send me hi please send me the video me send man no em say one fa feedback bi amba obi nso hi please send me the video me send man one fa feedback bi amba obi nso send me the video me send man no say God I say thanks God really bless you for letting me see this video and also na asema will be just say nyame nhia me say me mama na hu video we a osofo no ebo eye na hu ehi no say na be di kan no make as I say yeah, you think say I'm supporting Nana Huehi and as I'm supporting so for me I'm not supporting anyone no. Miss Remo me supporting will be assembly na emissary. Say Nana Huehi wo dwane aye bono no me dey no na emissary but if their comments me am pass here no we be feel say oh supporting we was that be assembly way I'm not supporting anyone. I'm not because Huehi na nkasa so na no odin and I'm crofo bebre can say it serves him right but I don't know I'm just reporting. Will be essay please send me the video. Now, why I don't want to mention these people's names, they say they've not given me the authority to mention their names. So I sent him person mudi ewa hase. Obviously, please send me the video and I'm sending video no man. The sending man now say ha or send ha nessa be 2 lines. Or you no say, hey my God. Hey now they say photo say fit person here or no so wo sha ni aje. We be so eka say please send me the video. Me send man no na what they serial emoji no. Toys and cartoons now mo sre no. Or the buy bebre no. Or sanso ka thanks. And or sanso the serial no buy bebre. And or sanso ka ha. That say ni niaje say yachi Huehi abuna enye broketwa. We be so please send the video. Me send ya no one fa comments bi aba. We be so or say please send me the video of Igwe and Huehi. Me send man no say Igwe did very well. He should have smashed off the head of that idiot. Not to say the baku when so say Igwe abomodin ye pa but na kai say Igwe what did be ehwe Huehi no ni trim na Huehi no we Jimmy Dodo. Hey, Ghana for mokasa o. And also ni asema will be ekan. Obi also say please sir send me the video of Igwe and Nana Huehi's video. Good evening sir. And I'm sending no say oh thanks sir. I say please I'm following you so update me on any news. And the back way they want to say eyene da na eyene de your kind say will follow me into the news baba me updating no into what here we. Obi also say hi what's up please kindly send me the proof of fight. And I'm sending man no say thanks. And our day cartoons na yesterday you know any say be macho cartoons macho ebe jina ho. And okay say you have made my day complete. Thanks once again. Not just watch a video no me mama just any day are you complete because of the video. Hey Ghana for Obi so be sending the video no and I was say hey thank you very much boss. Nana Huehi is too loud and very arrogant. I am happy he has been beaten. And also near Asema will be can say Huehi no will be asebe we ye de was also ewo ahomaso into the near just say yabu Huehi. Obi also say please send me the video of Igwe beating Huehi. I've been watching you and love your news and daily updates. Big ups yourself. And I'm sending man no and back on the car say thank you boss. Obi so me wo hwa na chese wo ka say boss send me the video one the tietia me send man no long talk and what the cartoons now were more sreno or they no so bad no say I really like the beatings and I was yen say okay say a yen de say ya boy nana hu just say wo sha nkofu bebre e for any easy Ghana for amanonefo will be say please send me the video me send the man no say ha 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 thank you very much and I become welcome and I say please tell Igwe we need part 2. We like that nice beating. I am very happy with Igwe. Not just any paku say niaje say Igwe abunana hu ehi. Na me nkan che Igwe say part 2. Omu hia part 2. Say one Samsung chi nana hu ehi embu ne biom. And I was answer ka say yes true. We need part 2. And I mean so me dey eye cartoons emoji no e ba ya na me so me sre. Obi so say send the video of nana hu ehi. Me send man no so sre ya no say hey it is good why. Not to say Ghana for. Just say wo sha Nkofu be pre no womuni aje but podcast where me ye yawa into no person me cat no but wa wo sha Ghana for do na send me message am send you video na womuni aje ye montre ma comment box mo tie for me da say